The family behind Wren has been leading the way for over 35 years. They've been instrumental in making bespoke kitchen design affordable. They are still creating beautiful hard-wearing kitchens with a tailored process distilled from decades of experience. Wren Kitchens believes that being different is important. It's what makes their kitchens and their service the best in the UK. Wren Kitchens were looking for a reliable partner to provide a robust telematics solution which could integrate into their existing routing software, helping reduce fuel costs and further improve their clients' delivery experience. So, they turned to WEBFLEET. WEBFLEET were able to provide sophisticated telematics technology and facilitated the integration between Wren's kitchen dynamics scheduling system and the telematics platform. The integration allowed Wren Kitchens to send jobs out to the driver's in-cab device and providing a unique dynamic ETA, automating the driver's route planning and heightening their service to customers. The solution was also able to drive down costs and proactively improve driver behaviour through digital in-cab coaching, resulting in a 6.5% increase in fuel efficiency, lower maintenance costs and fewer driving incidents. WEBFLEET provides a fully managed service and critical support to ensure Wren Kitchens can operate their business knowing their technology is in safe hands.
Working with WEBFLEET was a real positive experience. They're so responsive to questions and queries that we had, and it personally touches the sense that we get from them.